Steam is one of the most popular platforms to find the latest and the biggest PC games. After having tons of games, even the most avid gamers might seek fresh experiences. Steam caters to this by offering two categories of free games. One that are available to play for a limited period and others that are free forever. However, manually claiming each game from the store can be a hassle. I have a better way to redeem many games quickly. There's a website called SteamDB that provides deep insights into Steam's comprehensive database. While not affiliated with Valve, SteamDB provides users with a range of tools and statistics to better understand and navigate Steam's offerings. It allows gamers to track their most played games, monitor current player counts, and even follow price trends to snag games at the lower prices, among other features. One particularly intriguing feature of SteamDB is the free packages section. This page will list out all the free games and DLC that are available on Steam. To view this, there are two conditions that you will have to fulfill. First, sign in through Steam, which is securely linked to your account. Second condition is to install the SteamDB's browser extension. Once you have completed the steps, refresh the free packages page to discover a curated selection of free games available for activation in your region. You can further refine the list by filtering out the demos and legacy media, making it easier to find the latest full version games. Due to the sheer volume of free titles, this page might take a moment to fully populate the list. If you're unable to scroll immediately, this is likely the reason. From here on, you can either manually browse the list and redeem it. If you find something interesting, click on its package number and select Add Free License to your Steam library. Conversely, if a game doesn't appeal to you, simply select the Ignore option to hide it from your future searches. Another option is through the bulk activation. You can choose this option to add up to 50 games to your account every hour. This process does require patience, so it's recommended to keep both the Steam app and SteamDB page open. For those who are interested in free DLCs for games you already own, reset the filters and then select this bulk option. Note that adding free games will not increase the game count in your library. This website makes it amazingly simple to claim all free games on Steam at once. For the best results, repeat this process every few months to find new games as they become available for free. If you have enjoyed this guide, please like this video and consider exploring other videos on my channel for content you're sure to find engaging. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to the channel for more such tips and tricks.